To find sound equalizer on the Realme C71, first of all you will have to go for the settings. From here you have to go into the sounds and vibration, and from here scroll all the way down, and here you can find O Reality Audio. And as you are here, you can find 4 different presets basically, and the O Reality Audio function, but it is currently grayed out, but it is available to change these options of this O Reality Audio in case if you have connected headphones into the jack, for example, or if you're connected to like wireless headphones or earbuds. But there's, as you can see, there's no like the sound equalizer that you like that is regularly with these sliders, so you can adjust different values. So as you can see, there's not such a thing, but there are like these kind of presets for different scenarios, like this smart preset, which applies the sound mode according to your scenario, and here you can find music, movie and gaming, which are used for music, movies and gaming, and here you can see these 2 descriptions. So yeah, that's basically all right here. That's the kind of sound equalizer. Also, the music preset says that the equalizer can be customized, but as I selected this one, there's nothing appearing apparently, so you cannot change anything right here. I also tried to take a look around the music application in case if there's maybe the sound equalizer, but I took a look and there's also nothing, so I don't really know where to customize the equalizer, but that's all basically. That's how you can basically kind of find it right here.